All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Shout out to Ringke for supplying cases and the screen protector for the brand new iPhone 16e. So we're going to put these on. I'm going to go ahead and show you in this video how they look. So I've got 3 cases here, but more importantly, I have this tempered glass that we're going to do first. This is the Easy Glide tempered glass, and it is for all phones that are pretty much 6.1, and that's included with this one. So they've got 13, 13 Pro, and 14 listed here, but this will in fact work on the iPhone 16e. I keep wanting to say SE. So been enjoying the phone. That's not really an issue, but we are going to get this thing all cleaned up, and then we're going to really get the new glass put on. I like when they have the Easy Glass screen protectors because it just makes it for an easier installation. So this is a 2-pack, so I'll have more than one. Not that I'm going to use more than one. Go ahead and put it here. Okay, shout out to the Jerry Rig knife. Nice knife, Zach, supporting the fam. All right, so let's see what's in the box here. Again, 2-pack, so it's 2 of them in here. So you get 2 cleaning solution thing kits, and one of the glasses is already in here. So you pull one and then go 2 and 3. So we'll put this extra glass over here, but I'll show you what it looks like. It comes already fitted. So we'll put this in here, and we'll put one of these kits back in here, put that to the side, and we'll get busy here. All right, let's move this out of the way for now. And here's the kit that you need here. Looks like you get a squeegee tool in here, a microfiber cloth, and a wet wipe, and some dust removal stickers here. This is a pretty good squeegee card. So let's first get it wet. Gotta get it wet. All right. Open this up. We'll wet you down. I like to do this real time to show you that it's definitely not perfect at putting these on. Sometimes I get it right the first time. Most times I don't. Overall, though, it's pretty simple. Believe it or not, something like tempered glass and screen protector installs, it's intimidating to some people. Some people get really fooled and they fumble around. They're just like, man, this is hard, because they don't have the ability to have review units sent out to them. And so they spent their money and they want to make sure it's perfect. So I suggest that you just take your time with it, folks. Take your time. This is one of the most important steps right here. This dust removal. This has got to be one of the most important steps that you would do with these, because you want to make sure that you get all the dust, all of it. Because once you slide it down, it's a wrap. It's over. It's done, son. It's over. That dirt is under there. So take your time. I always really try to hit it a lot like this before I push it down on there. So make sure this side is clear. Drop it down. And then we're gonna pull. We'll let that kind of close out. I guess I should probably turn it off. I'll turn it off. Yes, I just did that. But we're gonna hit it again. Gonna hit it again. Most people turn off their phones anyway. I just don't turn mine off. All right, now let's pop this down on here. There you go. Make sure I got it in the right orientation. Oh, that's why it happened, because I had it on the wrong side. I think it goes, oh shoot, there we go. Yeah, the power button is over here. So we'll go ahead and pull 1. We'll hit 2 and 3. There you go. And it will lift up here. And it should be on. All right, cool. That's pretty good. It happened pretty nicely. So even if there's a few bubbles in here, don't worry about it. People freak out with air bubbles, but folks, when the screen heats up, they go away. and it takes about 24 hours or so for these bubbles to actually leave. You'll just start using your phone like you regularly would. Now, sometimes you can rub them out by heating it up like this. A lot of people will spend all day doing that, but I personally am not. Sometimes I'll try to push them over here like this, get them to the edge. But eventually, as you can see, they will go away. So, screen protector's on. Let's unlock it real quick here. All right, so it's good. Yeah, it's good. No problems with it. So, screen protector's on. Really nice, clean install. I really like how they do that. Now, let's get to a case. And let's go with this case here. So this is the Silicone case. Now the Silicone cases is one that I really, really like, man. I had gotten it for the S25 Plus, and I liked it a lot. So here we are again with it for the new iPhone. It feels really good. Oh, new Ringke stickers. So they're doing the most. All right. So we all know what the other Ringke stickers look like. They were like a little colorful sticker. But here's another one. This is pretty cool. So we'll sit that right up there. As you can see here, MagSafe compatibility. They have decided to add it this way since this phone does not have MagSafe, which is such a huge letdown for a lot of people. But it is there. This is like a little raised area too from you can see the magnets. But this is soft around the button area right here because you got to be able to get it off. Then hard all around these corners right here. So let's go ahead and first. Oh yeah, that is a tough magnet. Let's go ahead and pop this in. And this is what you get. This is a nice color too, man. This is a very nice color. This is very nice. Very nice. You've got the install should be perfect on here with the screen protector because, and the case should work with no issues because you use their guide and they all work together. So there's no way you can put the screen protector on wrong. Well, it could. Yes, it's not possible because the case should go on perfectly because it's using kind of the same frame as the guide. So this is really nice. So you got your cutouts down here, your ports and everything. Speaker, microphone, Type-C, camera cutout raised on the top there, and you got lip protection around here. All the buttons and everything are gonna work perfectly fine. You got your vibrate mute switch right there. And that's an action button. My bad. Now, let's try another one. Let's go with this one here. This is the Fusion Matte Clear, which is always nice, man. Always nice to have the Fusion Matte Clear. Matte cases is where it's at. And again, looks like you got the new Ringke stickers. All right. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's get it here. All right. We'll go with the inside first. It's sounding pretty good. Now we'll go ahead and pop this off, and I'm popping it off on the corners right there. That's just how I do it. And I'll pop this on. I kept it face down so no dust and debris, the least amount can get in there. But sometimes it does, but oh, look at that matte. God, dog, that's clean. This is a nice, clear, matte. Oh, that's beautiful, folks. That's freaking gorgeous. Nothing like a matte back on here. Now they do clear sides and everything, so that's just to show off the color on the clear sides. But you got Ringke right here, faintly on there, and you've got the lanyard there and the lanyard spot there. You got all your ports and everything. You have bumper protection on all these cases, but you can actually see it with the clear case. You can see it. Very nice. Now, if you notice, this one does not have the MagSafe technology. I don't like clear cases with MagSafe because it has that big circle right there, and it's going to be black or white. For some reason, they don't use. Companies have not been using like different color ones. So here we go. The Onyx, and I did this one last because this is one I'm going to use. The most popular case probably of all time with Ringke is the Onyx, and then they've added the magnetic. So this is because, again, oh, this feels great. There's the sticker. I was wondering if it was in there. This is just one of the best cases ever, man. It is so grippy, and it's just one of the best feeling cases. Now let's put this on. See, this case is kind of hard, so you can see I use both corners to do it. And then on goes one of the best feeling cases in the game. This case just feels good. So you've got the same little Ringke branding here, real faintly. You can kind of see it right there. Then you got your lanyard, your ports open, and then you're good to go. Wow. And all these cases have lip protection too, so just bear that in mind. But I got to tell you, man, Ringke, you do your thing. All of the time, you do your thing. This is a good looking lineup right here. I like this one, and I really like that one. So if you don't like the Ringke lineup, man, I don't know what to tell you. They have some of the best cases in the game. Their cases are just good. I remember when I wasn't getting sponsored by Ringke and I was buying their cases, the Onyx is just the one to go. And then the camo version of the clear is so clean, man. The camo version is so nice. But here it is, folks. Ringke is in the house with some beautiful cases for you. I'll see you in the next video, and the links to purchase are down below.